I'm the CTO at Cambrium. Really, at our stage, we're a startup. And with the team, we've been building the automations, the robots, and the AI that allows us to design the biomaterials of tomorrow. Working with the experts at AWS and NVIDIA allowed us to just move way faster on this so that, our engineers and scientists could focus on the hard problem, which is really making proteins that will change the world rather than, doing the plumbing and the piping of the cloud compute. One thing that AWS enabled was creating really fast a gigantic vector database of proteins. So for that, we use AWS SageMaker, and we're taking from one of the S3 buckets a bunch of proteins that we had generated, isolated, characterized, and basically transformed all of that into vectors with rapid inference using the basically NVIDIA containers and BioNeMo on SageMaker, and then shipped that to a vector database that was also hosted on AWS. And that allowed us then to have this gigantic data lake of proteins that we could use for our training. The embedding of the NIMs on the AWS platform allows us to basically have a almost drag and drop solution for many of our protein embedding workloads or protein design workloads. That allows us to basically go quickly from idea to prototype and test whatever works for our production workload. The pipelines we've been able to set up with AWS and NVIDIA, they do enable our R&D in general to be 5 times cheaper and faster than anybody else in the market. At a more specific level, I'm a big fan of the work NVIDIA has been doing on their BioNeMo platform, and that allowed us to, I think, end-to-end move to 100x compresses a month into a third of a day, and that changes the way you do science. So there's a whole new world of chemistry that we can use in order to build the building blocks of tomorrow thanks to this infrastructure. And I think this is a game changer.